Hello everyone, it's Christina here. I'm a sales engineer at BST company and we are launching our 11th online webinar today on the topic of supply of BST drilling equipment to Europe in 2023. And according to our plan, we have 7 points to discuss. The first would be the delivery from Russia to Europe, its possibility and how it's being made. The second is payment scheme from Russia to Europe. The third would be after-sales support and what is included in it, and again, how it's being done. The fourth point is supply of spare parts and components. In the fifth point, we will discuss dealership with BST company and how you, dear viewers, how you can be dealers in your country. The sixth point is visit BST factory in Russia. And we will discuss the documents that are needed for the travel into Russia and what opportunity you will have by visiting BST factory. And the last but not least, we will discuss clients' feedback from Europe and their stories and cases. So let's get started. As some of you know, last month we announced that we resume supplies to Europe, and we even devoted the whole video to this news, and this video you can find on our YouTube channel. However, anyways, for those who somehow missed this news, delivery to Europe is possible again, and we are pleased to confirm it to you. So we've been working with and supplying drilling rigs and other equipment to our clients worldwide for almost for 10 years for now. And despite all difficulties or restrictions, it's still important, and it has been always important for us to continue supporting companies or individuals, either who already purchased our drilling rigs or plan to get one. So as for the delivery and the logistics chain that we are working on, so the delivery is made with the help of our partner. They're our forwarder, and they are based in Armenia. So as you can see on this scheme, the factory is in Russia, and with the help of Armenian company, we are able to provide all the equipment to our customers in Europe. The transportation of goods to Europe is done by trucks. Thus, delivery by road takes about 2 weeks. So the total time, including preparation for the delivery, it's around 3 weeks maximum. And we, by the way, we always keep particularly small-sized drilling rigs in stock in order to fit your deadlines. And also, let me point it out to you that we can prepare and assist you with the documents needed for the delivery. I'm talking about, for example, packing list, insurance, and other documents. However, please know that requirements for the import of drilling equipment may differ from country to country, and that is why we kindly ask you to inform us in advance about the list of documents that you may need specifically in your country. But we will definitely assist you with them. As for the payment scheme, as for the possibility of payment between Europe or European countries and Russia, So the payment as well as the delivery is made with the help of the above mentioned company in Armenia, and it is done in US dollars. So the payment from Europe, it should be in USD. As for our partner in Armenia, so they also assist us with the shipments and financial transactions with Africa and Middle East. And for example, last week we dispatched a container with 2 drilling rigs to Cote d'Ivoire. And actually, let's take a moment to see how it all went. And we can observe it on our YouTube channel, which I definitely recommend you to subscribe to. So here you have lots of videos on different topics and news. So please subscribe so you can stay tuned. But as for the dispatch of the container to the Cote d'Ivoire client, so here you can see that we made a little report. Yeah, it's a short report, but you can see all the main parts of it. You see, these are drilling rigs. All the tools, so everything is in container, everything is fastened. So to watch the full video, please go to our YouTube channel. All right. So once the deal is closed, right, you receive your order and start drilling. However, it doesn't mean that we stop our communication and we don't want to hear from you again. Of course not. We want to hear from you, your stories, your feedbacks, and even if you do have any questions, we want to hear them from you as well. So you as our client, you have a unique opportunity of getting full technical support from our team of engineers and professional drillers, who, by the way, have more than 10-year experience, which I think it says a lot. And this technical support is not just absolutely free for you, but it is also lifetime. So it means that anytime you have any questions, please contact us. And we encourage you actually to contact us the moment you have any questions or possible concerns about the drilling process or the maintenance of the drilling rig, or in case you plan to get any drilling equipment, but you would like to have some recommendations or advice from us. So we are open to it and we are ready to assist you. And here let me emphasize it to you that we are a factory and not a reselling company. So we are proud of our products and we are confident in them. And it is in our interest to make sure that our clients are happy with the products and services that we provide. So, but if you do have any difficulties, any problems, please contact us, and the specialists of BST company will assist you. However, from you it is needed a little description of the problem or the issue you have, and some photos or videos, so our engineers and drillers could have a look at them. And this information will allow us to properly and immediately assist you. So, we all know that the process of drilling can be really unpredictable sometimes. And no matter actually if you have any experience or you don't. And it's absolutely fine. If you are not fully equipped for the first time that you start drilling, and it's fine too if you think that you are, over prepared for the drilling to the point that you don't even use the equipment that you got. But we know from experience of our clients that they always come back to us for various tools and components. For example, those that you see on the slide. And it's okay. It's okay to learn that you need different types of bits in the specific soil that you have in your region, and it's okay to lose tools. So because everything may happen during the drilling process, but our aim here is to provide you prompt support and necessary components and tools. However, let me remind you that within every order or package, so there is a spare part kit that you already receive. And it includes parts that can wear out quickly, for example, Caprolon plates or bearing or hydraulic seal, and so on. Or it may include some tools such as adapters, swivel, gear pump, and so on. So we can all discuss it and prepare a spare part kit specifically for you. That is also possible. However, so we can send every tool that you need. We can send them to you the moment you request it. And for example, we have clients who asked us to send them beads or logs or even a rotary head. So that also happened. And there were also clients who decided to get rods for the wet drilling. Although when they started, when they initially purchased the drilling rig, so they were sure that they were only needed to do air drilling. But it's okay that you decide to switch to another types of tools, because we are here to assist you with them. So we sent this very client the drilling pipes that he needed. And as for the delivery of spare parts and components, so there are two options, and we can send them by air with express delivery. So in this case, it will take around a week, and you would need to cover the costs. However, for the second option, we can arrange a standard delivery, which would take around 2 or 3 weeks maximum, and it's going to be a consolidated cargo. But in this case, the delivery is free for you. So it's up to you and your deadlines. This is how you make a decision to go with the express delivery or with the standard delivery. And we are moving on to our next point of discussion, which is dealership with BSC company. So you may have a question if we have a representative in Europe, right? But I'd like to reply to you that we are open to cooperation with you. So if you want to become a BSC dealer in your country, in Europe, we are absolutely interested to discuss it with you. So in case you are currently reselling some products and you want to expand your product line and business in general by promoting and supplying drilling rig and other equipment in your country, so it is possible to make it happen. And you have a company and a warehouse and you know that there is a high demand for drilling equipment in your region, we should definitely get in touch with you and discuss the possibility of our partnership. And so, if you are that person, if you know that you could be a good candidate for such a job, then please contact us to arrange the discussion. All right. So, work and visit of BST in Russia. We keep repeating this, and we keep inviting everyone to our BST factory for that very reason. To get an idea of our company, of course, you can go to our website to check some information, to read some texts about our company, or you can visit our YouTube channel that I showed you, which is also important to have a look at. However, to complete your idea of a BST company, it's highly recommended for you to come physically and visit BST factory in Russia. This is absolutely unforgettable experience for you, trust me. So it's located in the city of Chelyabinsk, and it's around 2.5 hour flight from Moscow. And we invite everyone who is watching this video right now, this webinar, and so everyone who is willing to meet us and our team in person, and to learn about our production and drilling rigs, and even visit our, as you can see in the picture, visit our drilling site. Here is the picture with our warehouse. This is the office. This is airport in our city, Chelyabinsk. So if you want to come here to our factory, so it's possible and it's absolutely safe. If you do have any concerns, please contact our BST specialist, so we will talk to you and just discuss everything or just the details of your trip, individually. But let me remind you that to travel to Russia, you need to obtain a Russian visa, of course. And for this, you would need to have an international passport valid for at least 6 months after the end of the trip, as you know. And there should be an invitation document which we can provide. So the invitation provided by BST company, which you will apply in the Russian embassy in your country. So, and for the past half year, we had 4 visits by our clients from Cote d'Ivoire. This is him. From Uganda, from Mali, and from Burkina Faso. And again, each and every video report and feedback of these clients you can find on our YouTube channel. So if you want to hear their particular stories, please go and check them. And just to inform you, air tickets, accommodation, living expenses, they're all covered by you, by the visitor. But on our side, we will help you to find a nice apartment to live in. We will meet you at the airport and assist you with the transportation here in our city. We will give you a tour of our production, and we'll take you to the warehouse, and you will have an opportunity to test a drilling rig of your choice on our drilling site if you're interested. So that's also possible. And so if you are interested, I hope you are, we will have a cultural program including the visit of our city attractions. And from our experience and by our clients' opinions, so 5 working days could be definitely enough to have a resultive business trip to BST factory, to our company here. So therefore, I'd like to take this opportunity to invite each of you who is watching this video right now to invite you to our factory here. All right. So, and one more interesting part that I would like to share with you is our clients' feedbacks and their stories and cases. So, in this picture, you can see our Hungarian client, and the story goes that so at first they decided, they were dealing with the geological exploration. So the business was related to this. So for this reason, they got augers, because they were always using auger drilling when using our machines. So they purchased the whole set for this purpose. However, within several months or within some time, so they they reached out to us, right? And they asked for different types of tools needed for the wet drilling, needed for the drilling of water boreholes. So you see, that is why it's absolutely fine not only just to switch your mind from one thing to another, but it is also fine to get one set of tools at first and then expand it or change it and get another tools and other components if you need them. Because we as a factory, as a supplier, we are ready to supply them to you. So here in this picture, you can see our client from Serbia, and so they are typically use this trailer-mounted drilling rig for the wet drilling, for drilling of water boreholes. So in this picture, you can see the drilling rig, and it is being used by our German client. Initially, we sent him, and as he requested, a portable drilling rig. As you can see, so this part is a drilling rig. But according to his plans, so he decided that he wants to mount it on his on the crawler base, right, on this chassis. And it is also possible. So if you want to somehow modify a drilling rig, if you want us to do so, we can do it. If you want to do it yourself, you're absolutely free to do so too. No problem with that. Here in this picture, it is also the case where our client decides to get just the drilling rig platform. So this very trailer, it belongs to the client. So this is the client's trailer, but he only requested the platform, and that's fine. So in this case, we only needed the particular dimensions of the trailer that he has just to fit the platform to his trailer. And this is the same drilling rig, as you can see. So these are some of the cases, some of these stories behind our European clients. But let me show you a video feedback, right? A video feedback from our client from Germany, who just sent this video showing how he's working with the culinary commerce. And this is the continuation. Yes, here is the beautiful view. All right. So the point is that once you become our clients, so we are also encourage you to send us any photos, any videos of not only your questions, but also feedbacks and how you test or how you use our drilling rigs. So you're also welcome to do so. Okay, and by the way, again, on our YouTube channel, you could find more cases, not only from our clients in Europe, but also from Africa, Middle East, and Latin America as well. So please go check them out. And we are about to finish our webinar today. I hope that it was helpful and useful for you. But nevertheless, if you have any questions, for example, you would like to plan the visit to BST factory, or you want to become a dealer of BST drilling rigs in your country, or you have inquiries on a drilling rig or other tools, so please contact Dennis by WhatsApp or by his email, or you can contact me. Here's again my WhatsApp number and the email. All right, so thank you very much for watching. I really hope that you learned something useful today with this webinar. So stay tuned, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I'll see you next time. Have a good day. Bye.